Hey peeps, Candace here with Cam's Only One Life. You want to say hi, Cam? Cam's here today, visiting. Anyways, I've got these, excuse my inky painted fingers. We have been painting today, painting rocks. So I've got these BOHO, blingy BOHO covers, and these will be the kits. And this is a 9x6 tapestry. It's really small, so that you could do like a 4x6, like a little mini album. These are so cute. Okay, so this is M2. M2. Here is CH. This is kind of a chamois colored. It's got a little bit of green in it, but if you look at the background on these, it's very vintage looking background. Very cool. So this is CH2 and here is CH1. Again, the background on these are fantastic. Very vintage looking material there. Here's some black. This is BK9. Okay, really pretty. BK8. BK7. If you like just black, this would be a really good one for you. BK6. BK5. Like that in the middle there, that flower. BK4. BK3. Looks like that would be pretty like that. BK2. BK1. This one has a lot of glitter on it. And then we have green. This is 9x6 in green. This is the only one I have in green at the moment. Okay. Then I have 9x6 in this really pretty tan. This is the first time I've ever had them in this lighter tan. And again, this background is very vintage brown. So that's T2 and this is T1. Again, that background has a lot of, it's kind of, I can't explain what that feels like. Here is a peachy orange. You can see it's very peachy. This is O5, excuse me, orange. O4. O3. That one's cool. That'll be really pretty, just like that. O2. O1. Here is a red. R2. I only have a couple of reds. R1. Here is some teal. This is T7. T6. T5. T4. T3. T2, T1, and then we have some blues, and I love these dark blues. This is LB1. This is the last few I have, is these blues. You see that indigo color in the background? Here's an indigo. ID5. Indigo 5. Really pretty right here. Just a lot of detail in blue and gold in there. ID4 right here. These indigos are my favorite. ID3. ID2. And ID1. Gorgeous. Look at that. It's really beautiful. And then here is sort of a maroonish red. So this is M1. And sort of a maroon. So that's what I have. I'm going to package these all up. These will be in the cover kit section. They will have a piece of elastic and a piece of the hand spun sari yarn in there. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you come by and make some really pretty journals. I have a couple of other sizes I'll be getting in soon, but I wanted to get these little ones in, and hopefully I get to make a few too. So thanks for watching. We'll see you over at the store, kamsonlynonelife.com, and kamsonlynonelife@gmail.com is my email. So hope you can come by and say hi. I'm gonna turn this over so Kameron can say hi. Would you say hi, Kameron, if I turn this over towards you?
Hi.
Wait, there he is. He's been working on some rocks. How you doing?
Good.
Good? How old are you now?
4.
4. I know. It just goes by so fast, doesn't it? It's crazy. Yeah. But you like coming down and doing some painting. And what's your favorite part? Blow and dry with the dry air gun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like that part?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. I'll see you later, Kameron. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.